morning student. I Archana. Today we are going to start our next chapter of English grammar is verbs and its kind. First of all, what is verb? A verb is a word that indicate an action. मतलब verbs वो word होता है जो हमें बताता है कि हमने कौन सा एक्शन किया, क्या काम किया. Look at this example. Suman is brushing her teeth. What is Suman doing? Suman क्या कर रही है? Suman is brushing. तो is brushing is a verb. The moon shines in the sky. Here shines is a verb. C.V. Raman is a doctor. Is a verb. The table has 4 legs. Has is a verb. In all the pictures above, the words in the bold say something about the person or a thing. Such words are called verbs. Means ऊपर जितने भी sentences हमने पढ़े थे, जो भी ये blue colored word हैं, उन्होंने हमें ये बताया कि person क्या कर रहा है, person और thing क्या कर रहे हैं और वो क्या हैं. So these words are called verb. A verb is a saying word. This is a very simple definition of a verb. A word is a saying word. जो भी word हमें ये बताता है कि कोई person और thing क्या कर रहे हैं या वो क्या हैं, उन words को verbs कहते हैं. Look at here. A verb may consist of one or more than one words. Verb एक भी हो सकते हैं और एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं. Shama was singing. Here is was. Was is a verb and singing is also verb. But was is helping verb and singing is main verb. He has gone. Has is a helping verb and gone is the main verb. They came yesterday. Came is main verb. He is flying a kite. Is helping verb and flying is main verb. Helping verbs are is, are, am, was, were, has, have, had. These are helping verb. Now next is kinds of verbs. Verbs are two kinds, transitive and intransitive. First is transitive verb. Transitive verb are those which require an object. Means a verb that does not make sense its own in a sentence required an object. It is called a transitive verb. मतलब कि ट्रांसिटिव वर्ब्स वो सेंटेंस होते हैं जिनको कंप्लीट होने के लिए किसी ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत होती है. We need an object to complete the sense. Look at here. We need water. We is a subject. Need is verb. And किसकी ज़रूरत हुई? We need water. So water is a object. Here we need an object to complete this sense. Water. So water is an object. Next, I met him. I met him. So met is a verb and him is a object. The peon is ringing the bell. The peon is ringing the bell. Is ringing is a verb. And what is object? The bell. The bell is a object. I read a story book. Read is a verb and story book is a object. Clear? Next is transitive verb. Intransitive verb. Intransitive verb do not need any object. Means intransitive verb को ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती. They are complete itself. वो अपने में complete सेंटेंस होते हैं. Children are crying. Are crying is a verb. There is no object there. So this is a intransitive. We play in the park. Play is verb. But in the park is not a an object. Okay, you must get up. You must get up. Get up, must get up is a verb. The bell rang. Rang is a verb. The train arrived late. Arrived is a late. So where we don't need an object to complete their sense is called intransitive verb. Just recall the both transitive verb and intransitive verb. Transitive verb need an object to complete their sense, but intransitive verb they do not need any object to complete their sense. I hope you understood it. Thank you.